Are your periods controlling your life? If every month feels like pain, heavy bleeding, exhaustion, and planning your life around your cycle, then keep watching. One of my clients, Doofan, went from having debilitating periods to feeling more empowered and in control of her cycle. It didn't happen overnight, and it didn't happen by guessing. It happened through accountability, structure, and a plan designed for her specific circumstances. Here are the 5 biggest benefits of having support on your fibroid healing journey. Number 1, you stop guessing. Most women are trying random things from Google, social media, and friends. Having a clear plan means you know exactly what to focus on next. Number 2, you stay consistent. Many women start strong but struggle to keep going. Accountability helps you stay on track even when life gets busy. Number 3, you understand your body better. Instead of feeling confused by symptoms, you begin to understand what your body is trying to tell you. Number 4, you make changes that fit your situation. Every woman is different. What works for one woman may not work for another. Doofan's progress came from a plan designed around her specific needs. Number 5, you celebrate real progress. When you're tracking your symptoms, you start seeing the wins. Less pain, less bleeding, more energy, more confidence. That's exactly what happened for Doofan. Her period went from debilitating to empowering because she stopped trying to figure it all out alone and started following a structured approach. If you're tired of feeling stuck, overwhelmed, and frustrated by fibroids, know that change is possible. Make sure you subscribe for more fibroid healing tips. Share this video with another woman who needs hope today, and comment foundation below if you're ready to stop guessing and start understanding your body. And remember, healing is not about perfection. It's about taking the right steps consistently.